One we've been waiting for. Here's our destination, Fullerton. Yoo-hoo!
Be aware, it's possibly going to be a large crowd on the platform.
Oh my God! Hey Daddy, I see in the distance. Hey, look, Daddy, I see Amtrak 882. Engine 406 in F40. Look, Daddy, I see a BNSF locomotive, number 7118. But look, Daddy, I see an Amtrak train with M fleets. That might be train number 5774.
Only monthly and Amtrak tickets.
I have a set of keys.
Look, Dad, a Genesis engine is in the lead. Okay, here's the highball. And I want to check out the timetable that train was when we get inside the station, okay? Oh, look, Daddy, there's engine 9208.
That's not really an engine anymore.